Is Earth round? Subscribe, Universal Tutor. Yes, the Earth is round. More specifically, it's an oblate spheroid. This means it's mostly spherical but slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to its rotation. This understanding is based on a vast body of evidence. Direct observations from space. Astronauts and spacecraft have observed the Earth from space, showing it as a rounded body. Satellites that orbit the Earth also move based on the assumption that Earth is spherical. Air travel. The paths that airplanes take are based on the fact that the Earth is round. For instance, if you fly from the North Pole to the South Pole, you'll be moving in a straight line relative to the Earth's surface, but if you were to trace this path on a flat map, it would look curved. Photos of Earth. There are countless photos of the Earth taken from space that show it as a round object. These photos are taken from various distances and angles, all showing a consistent rounded shape. Gravity. The way gravity acts on objects is consistent with the Earth being a sphere. If the Earth were a flat disk, for instance, gravity would pull things towards the center more strongly than at the edges, which we don't observe. Horizon. As you approach an object from a distance on Earth, like a ship coming toward you from the horizon, it appears bit by bit, rather than the whole object appearing at once. If the Earth were flat, the entire object would come into view at once. Earth's shadow on the Moon. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth casts a shadow on the Moon. This shadow is always round, which is consistent with a spherical Earth. Circumnavigation. People and objects have traveled around the world, both by air and by sea, which would not be possible if the Earth were flat. Changing time zones. As you travel east or west, local times change, and this is consistent with a round Earth. The idea of a flat Earth is a conspiracy theory that lacks empirical support and is contrary to overwhelming evidence supporting the Earth as an oblate spheroid. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.